YouTube. You could be anywhere in this world, but you're right here with us. So thank you for joining us. I'm Chris. This is Dave, and we're also joined by my boy Sal.
Yeah, what's up,
How's it
man?
How's it going, guys?
Gents, what's cracking, gents? Yeah, what's going on, peeps? Hope all is well. We just want to get straight to the point with this video. But as always, man, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the hell you are on our tiny blue planet. This is Chris and David and Chris at Traders here at Traders Creed. Before we begin, do us that favor of hitting that like button, subscribe button, notification bell button if you want to stay up to date with any and all of our content. We always appreciate the feedback, man. We really do. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Any questions, concerns, leave a comment down below. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Yeah, so here we are, man. Just a quick recap on the pound franc trade that we took early in the week. We made a video on it. Chris, go ahead and pull up the video yeah, there we are, man. This was us breaking down the pound franc live in front of your goddamn faces. We can't even make this shit up. Watch the video if you haven't watched it. For any of you who watched the video, took the trade with us in real time, made money, congrats. We're happy for you. We hope that it played out well. We hope that you managed the trade well. As always, this is never financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and never trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. We don't want to hear in our comments down below that, oh, because of you, we lost money. Nah, fuck you because of you. Okay. This is strictly for educational purposes only. We show you what we're doing, the things that we're looking at, and at the end of the day, we put our money where our mouth is, man. Like, we trade real money. We show real money, live results, good and bad. We're not the fucking dipshit traders that hide our results or only show our wins. We don't fucking do that, bro. But we do win more than we lose. Why? Because that's called edge, and we know our edge inside out. But as you can see, Chris, do you mind going back to that video real quick?
Of course, brother.
As you can see, guys, this was us discussing and breaking down any possible outcomes for the pound franc in real time. We were expecting a pullback underneath the level. Literally, look at this. Just mentally fucking acclimate this into your brain right now. I took the trade a little bit early. Some of our guys, such as Sal, fucking brilliant, by the way, man. Sal was waiting for that breach. He was strict on waiting for that breach, that pullback, that London flush. We got that London flush. Boom. Look at that, man. I personally got some pushback, but I waited. And once we started to get some continuation and confirmation that the trade was working out, I added more to my position. So either way, man, even though I got a 1-to-1, I maxed out that fucking 1-to-1. But most of our guys waited till we got that pushback so they can maximize their asymmetric risk to reward profiles. Sal was one of them. And our midpoint target was made. Our top of the range was made. And that was it. We left it at that, man. Beautiful fucking trade. Beautiful fucking trade. So that is how it unfolded. I don't know if you mind pulling up the chart in real time, Chris, how everything unfolded from here.
Hey, crazy how accurate it was to that level, Div.
Bro,
Check it out. Look at it.
We can't make this shit up, bro. For any doubters, it still baffles me to this day how some people can see this shit right in front of their goddamn faces. Like, the pre-trade, the live trade, the result, and still can't believe that trading is a possibility, man. At the end of the day, we've made it very clear this is not going to be for everybody. This is a very ruthless profession. It'll fuck with your mind. It'll fuck with your confidence. It'll fuck with your money. Trading is just a game where you have to be bred differently, man. I truly believe that. I feel like trading is a calling for a certain handful of people in this life. It's not for everybody. Just because you have access to it doesn't mean you're going to be a top tier trader. This is only a sport for the elite, man. That's just me. It's just my personal humble opinion. But anyways, that's me taking the trade, I believe, right there. Yeah, I was a little bit early. It's all right, but stop loss was nice and tight there, and we did expect the highs to be breached. So that was us taking the trade. I posted
I
it.
don't think that was it. Oh yeah, it was. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, no. I signaled it to the guys. I mean, there's not much you could really break down there because, I mean, we literally said right after the video, I'm going to take the trade. I took the fucking trade. And then if we scroll down, we'll see Sal waiting for that.
Pull back.
Yeah, pullback. Look at that shit right there, guys. Fucking sniper entry.
Midpoint. Check
Sniper
out.
fucking entry.
Yep.
Sal handled this shit like a goddamn boss. This is why he's one of our top tier students, guys. Like, look back in our video, we do a little bit of a small interview with him. This is why he's one of our top tier students, because he is investing in his craft. He is starting to understand our methodology, the ins and outs of it, our edge, why we do the things that we do, and he's managing it like a fucking professional. And at this point, the only thing that's going to separate him from everybody else is just time. Time and good principles and adhering to those habits. So that was Sal taking the trade. More analysis on that.
Our boy
And
Reese. Reese was actually the first one who called out the pound franc.
yeah, he did. A shout out to our boy Reese, man. He actually brought the idea to our attention. So it's not just us, man. Sometimes it's not just us generating our ideas. Our students are very brilliant traders as well. They'll bring something to our attention. We break it down in more depth, and we all just take it as a team if the idea is solid. Some of us do, some of us don't. But a lot of our guys made money on that trade. So that was a really good week. So yeah, we always thank our guys as well, because they bring it to our attention, man. It's not just us. And let's see how shit unfolded. Let's keep scrolling. That's the pound franc. Fucking beautiful, man. God damn beautiful. That is our boy Reese posting his results or his technical analysis on that. Let's keep scrolling down. Showing the money, man. Look at that. Woo-hoo! All targets fucking made. Broke even on that. Getting risk off the table. I ended up liquidating all my trades. There you go, bro. I made 4,578 quid, as the Brits refer to it, quid. I've always liked that. So we made a nice fucking stack. But here's the kicker, man. We didn't just end there. There was another beautiful opportunity that presented itself on the Euro USD, because that's my fucking baby, man. That's the bread and butter. Look at that. We signal this shit in real time for our guys. This is what you get with us on our Discord. Why are you guys sleeping on us, man? Why are you guys paying these dipshit little fucking kids that are just showing Lambos and Ferraris and lifestyles, rented fucking Airbnbs and mansions? Like, why are you not learning from us? Because this is what you're getting. You're actually learning to become fucking traders. But we're gonna talk about that shit a little bit after this, man, because I got a fucking rant about that. Damn, I'm a fucking rant about that in a little bit. But anyways, yeah. Euro USD real time, bro. I literally signal to our guys, even though we're not a signal provider, but we're all making money as we learn as well. We got in at a beautiful, beautiful entry, man. This shit was just screaming. We got our accumulation zone, break of structure, impulse move, nice little London flush. I identified it. Boom. We went long. Stop loss right underneath that. It retested the break of structure neckline, and it was off to the races from there. Look how that shit unfolded. We had Reese ask us a question as to why I was, taking targets not at midpoint. Sometimes you have to be a dynamic with our principles, bro, because not everything is going to work out beautifully in the markets. So a key question that you have to ask as a trader: look, if the risk reward profile isn't there, the second question you got to ask yourself is, can I run the trade? Can I run the idea? And if the answer is yes, well then second question is, how far, and is it a high probability that my target will be made? And if those things check off, then yeah, bro, sometimes you don't have to take profit at the midpoint if the risk reward isn't there. You can kind of play with that a little bit, and we did. So first target was made at the highs, and then my second target was at the next high where sellers were still in profit from last week. There was liquidity there. First target made, boom, another 1,000 on there. Let's keep scrolling down, man. Let's keep scrolling down. Let's show them the money. Let's show them the money. Oh, Sal making money. Show them the results, man. Let's see what 53. But hey, bro, money is money. That is still like,
yeah, I'll take it, man.
yeah, bro. A profit is profit, and at the end of the day, guys, you need to understand it's not about the money. It's not about the monetary amount. It's about the fucking skill set that you're sharpening every single day. It's about the principles, the methodology, practicing good habits, and eventually that money is going to be far more larger amounts than you could ever imagine. Mind you, when you guys see me making thousands upon thousands of dollars, it didn't always start off that way. I don't want you to think that I'm just some asshole that got lucky. Dude, it took me 8 years to get to where I am today. I deserve to make that fucking kind of money that I'm making. It wasn't always like that. I had one of my guys ask, like, DM me a while back. He's like, bro, were you always making that kind of money? No, dude. I had to fucking work my way up there. I had to scale my way up there. But yeah, man, I started off just like Sal, just like everybody else. Dude, I was happy when I even made $10 a profit. That was a lot of money to me because that would let me know that, okay, it's about starting small and working your way up and scaling. And eventually it got to the point where my trading account is to a decent size now, bro, where I can take some decent sized trades and make some decent sized money. And that's cool with me, man. And it's just up from here. And then net, that whole week, out of all the trades that we took, which was just on the pound, franc, and the euro USD, I made $6,851 in 1 week. You heard that correctly. 1 fucking week. What did I do with that money? I invested in more cryptocurrencies because that's what I do here, man. That's what we do. We don't show you how to be dumbasses with your money. We show you how to be real fucking bosses with your money. I'm talking old money, bro. We want old money, not that fucking new money rapper shit here. We want to stay rich. We don't just want to get rich. We want to get rich and stay rich. You can't do that if you're constantly fucking spending your money like an idiot. Anyways, that's an idea for the week. You guys are welcome. We'll let you take a sneak peek of that. But we were just working through an idea. But yeah, man, I still can't believe that I damn near made $7,000 in 1 week. This is what you get with us. Now, I can't promise you these type of results. These results are not typical because some of us were fucking wolves in here, man. We're goddamn wolves. Sal, our boy Isaiah, Reese, a lot of our other students, Cris, bro. We're the fucking wolves in the game. This is not a skill for everybody. Not everybody's gonna get those type of results. Not everybody's gonna get this, dude. This is what pisses me off. I have taken some insane fucking losses last year. Dude, I took a $50,000 hit, which was half my net worth at the time, early, at the beginning of the year when fucking COVID hit. That was half my net worth. And then my second biggest hit was about $30,000, was smaller than the 50 grand hit that I took. But that was still a big hit nonetheless. And what baffles me is that I not only did I recover the money, I dug myself out of those holes. And I ended up closing the year net profitable. I made well over 6 figures that year in front of my guys. And some people, they just bowed out of the game. But I'm not upset at the people that bow, like they just left. It's more along the lines that it proves that this is just not for everybody. Like, dude, you can show people the fucking results and they still won't see it for themselves. They will still doubt themselves, which is like, dude, really, bro? Like, you're over here losing fucking X amount of dollars, but I'm over here showing you that it's a possibility. Like, why are you giving up so easy? Why are you calling it quit so easy? Why are you selling yourself short so easy? I don't know, man, but I guess trading really just isn't for everybody. So yeah, good shit, man. There you go. Pre-trade live in front of your faces. We took the live trade results. It was a good week. What more do you need from us, man? And we were still fucking rusty. We took a fucking month break. Honestly, I didn't even think we were gonna make money on the pound franc, but I'm glad it worked out. But it just goes to show, man, you never forget what you really know. So that concludes this video. The only thing that I'm gonna talk about here, before we call it a wrap, is our changing in prices. So from here on out, this is gonna be a very, very important announcement. Is that our pricing to enter our Discord is no longer $50 a month. Unfortunately, or I guess fortunately, I don't know, however you want to look at it. This is not because we're trying to be greedy. This is not because we're money hungry or we need more money. And I'm going to explain our reasons behind this. Is that our pricing has changed from a recurring subscription model, $50 a month, every month, to now a one-time flat fee access, lifetime access. Once you pay, it's $600 to enter our Discord. One time, you get lifetime access. You will never be charged a single dime after that. You will stay in our Discord. You won't be bugged about recurring payments. You will be given a grace period of a week for a refund. You join our Discord, you pay the $600, you're kind of snooping in, you realize, hey, this isn't for me. Within that week, if you let us know within a solid week, 7 days from the moment that you entered our Discord, we will give you a refund, no problems. But after that, we ain't gonna give you your money back, bro, because the information that you're getting with us, man, the content, the trades, like if you aren't making money with us, I don't know what the fuck you're doing, bro. I don't know what you're doing wrong, but you're obviously not, you're doing something wrong, because at the end of the day, you can bullshit all of us, but the only person you're bullshitting is yourself. Like, because dude, I'm consistently profitable almost every fucking month. It is rare when I have a red month. Why? Because we mastered our edge. So just to recap, $600 one-time access fee, lifetime access. You will never be charged a single dime. After that, once you enter our Discord, you have a grace period of a week to get a refund, to see if this is for you. If not, if after a week you're still with us, that's it, bro. You're stuck with us, man. I'm sorry. You can leave on your own initiative, but you ain't getting your money back. Like, if you want to leave our Discord, feel free, but you ain't getting your money back after that. Why, David? Why? Oh, if you guys are making this, so let's refute some common concerns here. So, the question is, well, if you guys are making all this money as traders, which clearly you're fucking seeing, by the way, we're fucking ballers. Why are you charging this amount if you guys make this money from trading? Well, like the Joker once said, if you're good at something, never do it for fucking free. Why the fuck? Answer me this. I really want to hear some comments down below. Why the fuck should I have invested 8 years? I've paid my dues. I've been in the game 8 years, dude. I've blown so much money. I've blown so many fucking accounts. I have doubted myself, dude. I have wanted to quit so many fucking times. I have paid my dues. I've done the back. I got fucking, if you want, I could run upstairs and get all my goddamn journals, cover filled from cover to back of all the back testing that I've done, all the shit that I've been through to get to where I am. Why the fuck should I give that to you for free? Somebody answer me that. If you guys want to pay a good architect to work on your house, you think he's going to do that shit for free? You guys want somebody amazing to work on your car. You think they're going to do that for free? Anybody who is highly skilled at a craft, why the fuck are they going to do that for free? Trading is no different, man. And we had to change our prices because people were not appreciating the amount that we were honestly, we were charging way too fucking little. For what we were giving you, we were charging. You get access to us 24/7. If you need to book a call with us, you get that fucking call. Dude, Sal can even attest, bro. Like, if he needs help, we're there for him. Sal, is this right or wrong? Is this
Sir,
true?
bro. Chris and David are always there, bro.
We're always there for you. Maybe it may not be that at that exact moment, but we'll set up the schedule, man. We don't hide anything. We show you the pre-trade, the live trade results. We send you the signal. Like, we're not just greedy fucks taking trades off for ourselves. If we see a good idea, we take that trade, man. And we post it right as we're taking the trade. Or we'll even let our guys know, yo, dude, this is looking good. Keep this on your radar. So the reason we're for the $600 cost as well is because it's almost equivalent to a course. We feel that people will value this amount because at the end of the day, dude, like, you're not going to value what you're not paying for. And honestly, I think for what you're getting, we were charging way too little. Also, we're posting, I think maybe this is just, call me an arrogant asshole, but I think we're posting great content on YouTube. You are not going to see other motherfuckers like us, man. You get a lot of educators on YouTube, but who else is showing you fucking pre-trades, live trades, and fucking results, and with real money? Bro, all of my guys can vouch for me on our Discord that I show them real money. I show them all of my fucking moves. I show them everything. I don't hide anything. What do I get from hiding from you? Nothing. I show them wins. I show them losses. You get the whole deal with us. So yeah, I know that's gonna be a fucking common concern for people. Oh, well, if you make all this money, why are you charging that much? Dude, at the end of the day, man, you guys don't value what you pay for. So good news for a lot of our OGs. They are not affected by this price. You guys fucked up, man. You should have taken advantage when we were cheap. So a lot of our OG members, they are not affected by this. They're gonna stay with the recurring payment plan of $50 a month. For all of you guys, sorry, man, you fucked up. You missed out. That's on you. You don't have to join us. We don't fucking care because at the end of the day, we're gonna keep making money with or without you. But for those of you that are serious about getting this shit down, man, you're tired of losing money after money, at blowing account after account. You just feel like you've been in the game too long. You're not seeing the results. Dude, we're your guys, man. We're your fucking guys. And still, there are people who still charge extortionate amounts. There are people who charge way more than what we're charging right now. I know this because I'm doing my research, man. There are guys that are charging $1,000+ for a course. There are guys charging fucking $5,000 to be part of their inner circle. 5 fucking G's. And people pay this. So I don't think we're asking for too much, to be honest. quite frankly. So yeah, and we will teach you. Like the only prerequisites to join our Discord is that you have to have some form of experience, guys. I don't want to have to I don't want to have to tell you what a fucking pip is. I don't want to have to tell you what fucking leverage is. I don't want to have to tell you what a fucking buy order is. Like, you should do your homework, man. You come to us when you're ready to make fucking money. We're going to teach you the sophisticated aspects of trading. We are going to teach you our method. And all the while you're learning, you should be making money because we're going to give you our trades. We take those trades alongside with you. I'm not just some asshole that's signaling trades to you, and I'm not even putting my money where my mouth is. So, yeah, man, that's from here on out. Any newcomers, I'm sorry if this rubs you the wrong way, but at the end of the day, man, like we need some scratch for what we're fucking doing, like straight up, man. If I really wanted to, if Chris and I really wanted to, we didn't have to choose to educate, man. We didn't even want to. We were just traders making money. And Chris and I, we would just communicate on social media. But you know, at some point, I had a dear. Well, I don't know if he considers me my friend anymore, but I had a dear friend of me push me to educate, to teach this stuff, and I was very reluctant at first. I didn't want to do it, but here I am now. And at the end of the day, we're a businessman, so we're businessmen, and we feel like we need to be compensated fairly for a lot of the shit that we're doing, man. So that's why. If you guys are asking why the change all of a sudden, this is why, and I think you guys can understand that, because if you were in our shoes, you would do the same thing. So yeah, trading takes care of me just fine. But at the same time, our Discord business, yeah, bro, what you guys are getting for what we're charging, nah, that's not fair for us. Straight up, man. Oh, that's a little Coinbase portfolio right there. As you guys can see, in one fucking month, our portfolio is up over 120%, and we made $8,000 plus in net profit, man. Yeah, so Chris and I were doing very well, just so y'all know. We're doing very, very well, man. We're sitting pretty. We always sitting pretty, man, because at the end of the day, we know what the fuck we're doing. We're the wolves in the game. So that's enough of me blowing smoke up my own ass. With that said, that's pretty much it. From here on out, the details will be updated in every video about our pricing change. We hope that you guys got massive value from this video. We hope that you guys made money with us. If you didn't, it's okay. We're going to keep posting more content down the line. Let's crush 2021, man, because it's going to be a very, very opportunistic year, very volatile year. Keep your head in the game, man. Don't sell yourself fucking short. Like, the minute that you quit, you'd be surprised. You're right there, dude. You're literally, people sell themselves so short when they're right there. They just need that extra bit of information. Maybe they just need to meet that one person, to read that one book. Like, you're right there, but you give up too fucking quick, man. I always think to myself, dude, what if I would have given up in those moments of weakness? Like, what would I be doing right now? But I'm glad I stuck it out, because I got that wolf blood in me, man. Like, it takes a lot to kick me down. And the markets will beat you down, but don't let them get to you. So head in the game, guys. Trade safe, trade smart, trade well. As always, have fun with this shit. We hope you have fun with it, because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. And we hope that you guys still appreciate our content. We hope that our content has helped improve your trading performance, your trading edge, and is giving you a different perspective on the markets, that this is a possibility, that it's not just, for a select, God is not just singling out certain people. Dude, to this day, I still don't believe that I'm at where I'm at. But it is a blessing, and I'm grateful for that nonetheless. So keep your head in the game, man. It's not going to be an easy road, but it can be done. So before I call it a wrap, Chris, you got anything to say, my man?
Love you, brother.
Love you too. Sal, what about you, man? You got anything to add?
I gotta say, man, you gotta see this as an investment, man. If I had put 24K down for college, $600, I'll take that any day to learn how to trade.
We appreciate that, man. And dude, I honestly thank you for sharing that. See it as an investment in yourself. Like, $600 for lifetime access to traders with experience, real tangible experience, people that can help you get to where you want to get. That's a fucking investment, in my opinion. Sal hit the nail on that one, man. So it's all about perspective. Some of you guys are not going to see it that way, but for those of you that really want to succeed in life, that's really an investment, and that's still a small price to pay. I'm telling you, there are guys who charge an extortionate amount, and you're not getting the value that you're being charged. With us, you're getting the fucking value, man, because a lot of our guys, they're making money. We just showed you. We showed you this shit. So what more could you want? What more could you ask from us? So Yeah, thanks so much for sharing that, Sal. And I know like the reason Sal's spending more time with us is because, dude, he's going to be one of our right hand traders, man. This guy, when we start doing bigger and better things, when we start our own private hedge fund, when we start managing large sums of money, Sal's going to be one of our top traders. Yeah, he's been wanting to spend a little bit more time with us, see what we're about. We have amazing conversations with this guy, man. He's a bright chap, and we see nothing but good things coming his way. So thank you, Sal, for spending this time with us, man, and thank you for sticking it out with us, man, because I know sometimes trading can make you doubt yourself.
Hey, thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah. So with that said, guys, much love. We will talk to you another day. Stay tuned for Monday for another edition of Money Making Mondays. Other than that, we'll catch you till next time. Deuces.
Peace.